Okay, so today we are talking about video 10, apply knowledge of networking technologies to support program code used to foster, maintain e-business. The first thing is to discuss the use of cloud services to foster and maintain e-business. So there's 3 to 4 things that I mentioned to just maintain e-business. The first is scalability. The cloud computing enables an e-commerce application to center in challenging demand and scenarios of the market. It allows upscale or downscale services according to demand, traffic, or seasonal supply. So it's upscale or downscale on the demand of like the business. Right? So cloud provides a scalable architecture to your business needs. So if you need more space, you just have to buy another set of space. The fact that your business will increase in coming times, so it's vital scale the business as it grows. Okay, so the second is the speed. For an e-commerce business, speed plays important role. For sure, speed makes an important role for all the online things, for online, whether it is on online portal or online ordering system. So it plays an important role. A study found that 40% of the customers abandon a web page if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. So even the Amazon experienced the increase of 1% revenue for every 10 millisecond improve of their site speed. So speed is one of the biggest factor of the e-commerce business. So cost reduction. So it can reduce the cost if you have e-commerce, right? The facility of paying per use enables to consume the services according to your requirement as the business grows, and you don't need to invest in hardware or software infrastructure. So you don't have to buy a software or hardware when you're building and running an e-commerce business. It's not like a physical business there where you need lots of computers. You can with the cloud computing, the cost of developing and maintaining IT structures cuts down right off. The redundancy in cloud services. Cloud-based architectures are disaster tolerant. A cloud-based platform with built-in redundancy can save the business from data loss. So it can save the business from data loss too. It keeps the data structure backed up and easily accessible. So it by the time it automatically backs up your data, right? So whenever you lost data or something happens or physically stolen, you can back up your data. Okay, and e-commerce business depends on hugely on the data on its customers. The time the center for getting data loses the security threats. Redundancy helps to overcome the disaster or resume the business in a regular way. So the second is discuss the security challenges to organize engage in e-business. So what are the challenges to run the e-business? So there are some that I mentioned. There are more than that, but I mentioned few of them. So there are viruses and other malwares. E-business count on their web servers and computers to run smoothly and keep on business humming and along. Computers that communicate with other devices on the internet have a potential download malicious software like computer viruses, worms, and other malwares can inhibit a machine ability to function properly. Malware can potentially result in data loss or the need of maintenance, both which can cost e-business time and money. So this virus and malware can get into the system and cost you money and time, right? So that's a little bit hard for e-business to take a look for, right? Software bugs. A software bug is simply a mistake or oversight a computer program or website coding that makes a site program behave and unintended way. A bug could result in something relatively benign like a minor assessing errors on a website. On the other hand, a bug could potentially cause major problems like site crashes and allowing users to access data they are not supposed to see. So this software bug is a major problem when it comes to when a site crashes, right? So it happens most of the time when something happens in the world, and overnight it becomes very famous, and met too many hits that it cannot take, then the server crashes. So because it cannot handle that much traffic on the site. So that's the one. And the other thing, physical data theft. So most of the threats to e-business come through the internet itself, but business can also be subject to physical data theft. If a thief steals data to physical hardware that company user conduct an e-business, such as hardware, drivers, or web servers, he may be able to recover confidential information. Since there are several ways to e-business can potentially lose information data, it's important to make a backup copy of the data on a regular basis, so e-business does it by itself, right? And physical plans are secure. So that is it for the video 10. Thank you for watching.